everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy natural insect repellent candle, and it looks really pretty as well. What you're going to need for this is a lemon, some cloves, some cocktail sticks, and some candles. Lemons contain compounds like limonene and citral, which give them their strong citrus scent. Insects, especially mosquitoes, dislike these smells as they can interfere with their scent receptors and make it difficult to locate hosts. The acidic nature of lemon also contributes to making the environment less appealing to insects. Cloves contain eugenol, a potent natural compound known for its insect-repelling qualities. Eugenol masks the human scent that attracts insects, making it harder for them to find food sources. The strong, spicy aroma of cloves overwhelms insects, keeping them away from the area. It's particularly effective against mosquitoes and flies. Now I'm going to show you how to make the lemon clove candle. Once you've lit the candle for a few seconds, you will get the most lovely lemon and clove smell. It's all natural and it works really well as an insect repellent. It's far better than using the very harsh chemical insect repellent sprays that you buy in the supermarket. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share with your friends and family and spread the word about using natural products. You can also check out some of my other videos where I'll show you how to make natural shampoo, natural hair oil, household cleaners, as well as decorative jars. Thank you for watching.